this video, we will show you how to use your new blood pressure monitor from Health Wealth Safe. Step 1. Insert the 4 included AA batteries into the device. Once inserted, the device will initiate an initial secure pairing with the mobile network. Step 2. While pairing, the symbols shown on screen will be shown. This process normally takes around 10 seconds, but may take up to a minute if the signal is weak. Step 3. When pairing is completed successfully, the device will display this symbol and the screen will turn off. The device is now ready to use. Step 4. Plug the cuff tube into the device. Be sure to use the port labeled cuff port and not the port for the optional power adapter. Step 5. Wrap the cuff port around your arm and position it before tightening. Be sure to read and follow the How to Take Your Blood Pressure guide that was included with your monitor. Step 6. Press the Start-Stop button to turn on the monitor. The cuff will inflate, take a reading, and then deflate. Remain still until the cuff deflates completely. Step 7. Your results will be displayed and saved to the device prior to transmission starting. Step 8. During data transmission, this symbol will flash. This process normally takes around 10 seconds, but may take longer when signal is weak. Step 9. If the transmission is a success, the OH is shown. If connection fails, E5 or E6 is displayed. In this case, the measurement is saved and will be sent on the next successful connection.